Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Have you ever felt that burning curiosity, that desire to understand the world around us just a little bit better? That's what drives us here, and it's the core of what makes educational YouTube channels so amazing. In a world overflowing with information, it's more important than ever to find sources that are not just accurate and engaging, but truly inspiring. That's why we're counting down the top educational YouTube channels that you absolutely need to follow. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just someone who loves to learn something new every day, these channels offer a diverse range of topics and perspectives. So get ready to dive into a world of knowledge and discovery. Remember when you first looked through a microscope in school? The sheer wonder of seeing a whole new world invisible to the naked eye? That's what Journey to the Microcosmos is all about. This channel takes you on a mesmerizing journey into the fascinating world of microorganisms. You'll encounter creatures you never knew existed, magnified thousands of times. But it's not just about the visuals. The channel explains the biology and ecology of these tiny organisms in a way that's both informative and entertaining. You'll learn about their life cycles, their importance to the ecosystem, and even their bizarre adaptations. It's like a documentary, but on a microscopic scale. Get ready to have your mind blown by the sheer diversity and wonder of life that exists all around us, hidden in plain sight. Ever wondered how gravity works, or what the Higgs boson actually is? Minute physics, as the name suggests, breaks down complex physics concepts into bite-sized, easy-to-understand animations. But don't let the simple visuals fool you. This channel tackles some of the most mind-boggling ideas in physics, from quantum mechanics to relativity. Host Henry Reich has a knack for explaining things in a clear and concise way, using humor and relatable examples. You'll find yourself saying, aha, as he connects the dots and makes even the most abstract concepts seem surprisingly intuitive. So, if you're ready to explore the fundamental laws that govern our universe, Minute Physics is the channel for you. Prepare to be amazed by the magic of chemistry with Nilered. This channel is all about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a lab. From synthesizing unusual compounds to creating mesmerizing chemical reactions, Nilered's videos are a feast for the eyes and the brain. But it's not just about the spectacle. The channel also provides detailed explanations of the science behind each experiment, breaking down the chemical reactions and processes involved. You'll learn about different elements, their properties, and how they interact with each other. Whether you're a chemistry buff or just curious about the world around you, Nilered is sure to spark your inner scientist. Chapter 4, Veritasium. Okay, I might be a little biased here, but there's a reason Veritasium has become one of the most popular science channels on YouTube. We're all about exploring the counterintuitive in science, those moments where our intuition fails us and we need to dig deeper to understand the truth. From physics demonstrations to interviews with experts, Veritasium's videos challenge your assumptions and make you question what you thought you knew. We believe that the best way to learn is by experimenting, and by questioning everything. So, if you're ready to expand your understanding of the universe and the way it works, be sure to subscribe to Veritasium. Chapter 5. Armando Hasudungan. The human body is an incredibly complex and fascinating machine, and if you're interested in learning more about how it all works, Armando Hasudungan is the channel for you. Using detailed and easy-to-follow illustrations, Armando breaks down complex medical concepts into manageable chunks. You'll learn about the different systems of the body, from the circulatory system to the nervous system, and how they all work together. Whether you're a medical student, a healthcare professional, or just someone who wants to understand their own body better, Armando Hasudungan provides a wealth of information in an engaging and accessible way. Get ready to explore the amazing world inside you. Chapter 6, Applied Science. Ever wondered how everyday objects work? Or what would happen if you combined two seemingly unrelated things? Applied Science is the channel for you. Host Ben Krasnow is a master tinkerer, taking apart gadgets, building contraptions, and conducting experiments that are both informative and entertaining. You'll learn about the science behind everything from lasers to 3D printing to the properties of different materials. Ben's passion for science is contagious, and his videos are sure to inspire you to look at the world around you with a fresh perspective. Get ready to unleash your inner maker. Chapter 7. Math. It's often seen as a dry and intimidating subject, but 3 Blue 1 Brown is here to change that perception. This channel uses stunning visuals and animations to make even the most complex mathematical concepts intuitive and, well, even beautiful. From linear algebra to calculus to topology, 3 Blue 1 Brown provides clear explanations and insightful connections that will deepen your understanding of math. You'll learn to see the world through a mathematical lens, appreciating the patterns and structures that underpin our universe. Get ready to fall in love with math all over again. Chapter 8. Mr. Carlson's Lab. Electronics can seem daunting, but Mr. Carlson's lab makes it accessible and fun for everyone. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned hobbyist, this channel has something for you. You'll find detailed tutorials on everything from basic circuit building to advanced microcontroller programming. Mr. Carlson's passion for electronics is infectious, and his clear explanations and step-by-step instructions will have you building your own gadgets in no time. Get ready to unleash your inner engineer. Chapter 9. Engineer Guy. Engineering is all around us, from the bridges we drive on to the smartphones in our pockets. Engineer Guy, hosted by Professor Bill Hammock, delves into the engineering principles behind everyday objects, revealing the ingenuity and problem-solving that goes into their design. You'll learn about different types of engineering, from civil to mechanical to electrical, and how they shape our world. Professor Hammock's enthusiasm for engineering is contagious, and his videos are sure to inspire you to appreciate the hidden wonders of the designed world. Get ready to see the world through an engineer's eyes. Chapter 10. Ben Eater. Have you ever wondered how computers actually work at their most fundamental level? Ben Eater's channel is the perfect place to find out. Through a series of in-depth tutorials, Ben takes you on a journey from basic logic gates to building an 8-bit computer from scratch. Yes, you read that right, from scratch. You'll learn about binary code, logic circuits, memory, and all the essential components that make up a computer. Ben's teaching style is incredibly clear and engaging, making even the most complex concepts accessible to anyone with a curious mind. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of computer science and unlock the secrets of the digital age. Outro, keep learning. So, there you have it, our top 10 educational YouTube channels that are guaranteed to ignite your curiosity and expand your knowledge. These creators are passionate about sharing their love of learning with the world, and their channels offer a wealth of information that's both entertaining and enriching. Whether you're interested in science, technology, engineering, math, or just about anything else, there's a channel out there for you. Don't forget to subscribe to these amazing channels and support their incredible work, and most importantly, never stop learning.